Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie, and today I'll be showing you more features. So many other things you can do with Excel. Today we'll be looking at the total score, and then we'll be looking at sorting, decimals, and many others. All right. So the first thing I would like to show you is how to calculate my total score. By the way, I have entered the names of my students, the CA scores, class test, midterm test, exam, and then I have the total here. All right. So remember, this is like our everyday work as teachers, what you do in the class, how you do your analysis, and all that. So please pay close attention to this. All right. How do you calculate your total? You go to the formula bar, go to auto sum, select sum, and then try to ensure that the range selected by the system is exactly what you want to add up. If this is correct, just click on the enter key on your keyboard and the answer will be out there. To do the calculation for others, you don't need to go back to formula, go to AutoSum. All you need to do is to take your pointer to the to the right side of the cell where you already have calculated your sum. All right. When you have this sign, please left click and then you scroll down. Remember, make sure you have the kind of lines I have now. Can you see the lines? If yours is exactly like this, then you are correct. If yours isn't like this, I am sorry, you have to do it again. All right. So if you get this right, automatically all your total scores will be calculated. Okay, I would also like to show you how to do the decimal. Sometimes we try to approximate the scores of students because we don't know how to go about this. So how do you do this? On your home tab, go to the number group, and then we have the increase decimal and we have the decrease decimal. Okay, to increase the decimal, just click on it. That's all. Can you see it's increasing? And if you want to decrease, that's all you have to do. It's decreased already. Okay, and then remember, this is where you have the percentage sign. So if I want to change this to percentage, I'll just click, and can you see it's changed already? So but I don't need this, so I'll just take it off. Okay, all right, I'll just take that off. I don't need it. Okay, so I'll just do Ctrl Z and it's off. Okay, so I'll also show you now how to format as table. How do you use this? So just select where you have your data. Okay, go to format as table, select anyone you like, anyone at all, and then just say okay. All right. Now, automatically, can you see we have a drop down arrow next to everything you have on that column, on that row. So if you click on this drop down arrow, you can sort the names of the students from A to Z. Okay. You can sort from Z to A or sort by color. Remember, this is where you select everything you want to sort. So if you don't want all, you can actually not select some, but I want all, so I'll just select all and then I'll say sort A to Z. Automatically, can you see everything is arranged now? Okay, so the same thing with a CA, you might want to also arrange that. Okay, now another thing you might want to arrange is the total score. Okay, you might want to have that from the largest, maybe. Okay, or from the least to the largest, something like that, and it's done. All right, so the next thing we'll be doing now is to calculate the average of all the scores for the CA, for the class test. So I have the average here. I'll make it bold so we can all see it. Okay, so I'll just remember where you want the formula to be, where you want to do your calculation, that is the cell you have to select. Okay, so I want to start with CA. I have selected it. I'll go to formula. I have my auto sum. I'll select average. Okay, now see what's happening there. Now let's look at what we have. Is this what I really want? No. So I'll take it off. I want to show you something with this. Sometimes the system starts entering what you don't even really want. So I'll just type equal to. If you just type A, you have so many other options. I'll just type V. See? So I have average already. I'll just select it. I hope you're still following. Okay, my system is a bit slow now. So this returns the average arithmetic mean of its arguments, which can be numbers or names, arrays or references that contains numbers. Okay, when your formula is wrong, this is what you have. Okay, so I'll just click on this. I want the average, so I'll just say equal to a v. So I have the average here. I'll just select the average and then I'll select the range where I want to calculate. Okay, can you see? And then I'll close that. I'll just close that and that's it. It's calculated now. That's the average for my CA. Okay, and then another thing I would like to show you, of course, like we did for the total, just place your cursor there. When you have exactly a cross sign like mine now, you left click and then you drag, and others will automatically be calculated. I hope we are still following. So with this, it makes your work very easy. So now we've learned how to do the average, how to do the total score, how to sort whatever you've written. Okay, so please get to work. We have more of Excel. Remember, you can always send me your questions. And as always, I promise to give you a constructive feedback. Thank you very much for listening. And please see you in the next lesson. Bye.